In today's video, I am going to share with you how to sell digital products on one of the easiest softwares that I have seen in my last 7 years of selling digital products online. I am talking about Whop. Whop is hands down the best place for beginners to get started selling digital products. Now, if you're not familiar with Whop, Whop is kind of like Amazon, but for digital products and digital courses, consulting, coaching, and communities. It has everything. So if you want to learn how to sell digital products and start earning passive income from literally anywhere in the world, then today's video is for you. Now, this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. So I highly recommend that you follow along. And in order to do so, please click on the link below in the description. That will take you to this page here where we can get started building out our first Whop or digital product. Let's go. All right, so once you click that link, it will take you here to the Whop onboarding page. And to get started, you simply want to add your email address. Then it's going to send you an email with a code. So you're just going to copy and paste that code in here. They want to verify that it is you, it is your email address. Now, once you've done that, it's going to ask you to name your Whop. So if you're completely brand new and you don't really know what your first digital product should be about, then simply talk about what you know. Create a digital product around your hobbies, your interests. I don't care if it's gardening, if it's skateboarding, singing, playing guitar, cooking, that's what you're going to name your shop. Now, for me, I like to talk about digital marketing and digital products. So I'm simply going to call this digital marketing, we'll just call it Empire. Okay. That's going to be the name of my Whop or digital product. And then I'm going to hit continue. And here it's going to ask me for a headline. Now, I am not going to go too deep into this for time's sake. We could spend all day talking about headlines, but you want your headline to be something catchy to get people to want to click, to get people to want to learn more about your product and what it is you have to offer. So I just put together something simple here, how to get paid for what you know. But if you really want to do this the right way, take a few minutes and do some research on headlines and how to write the proper headline. Now, it's going to start building out my Whop, right? Boom. Look at that. Would that take a few seconds? And it's going to take us to this initial page. This is my Whop. I mean, I've got a free website here, guys. I got a free community. I got a place to coach, to sell digital products, to build a community. Now, to get started, it asks you to add a logo. I'm not going to teach you how to do a logo. I'm sure you guys can figure that out. You can go to Canva. I created one in about 2 seconds on Canva, and I'm just going to upload that photo. I'm going to click save, and boom, it gave me a nice little logo. Now you want to upload your media. You need at least 1 image to get started. I recommend uploading 3. And again, you can use a free tool like Canva, and they have lots of royalty-free images that you can use. I simply went in there and typed in digital marketing, and I got these free images. So look at that. We're not even a couple minutes into this thing. I've already got the front page here with my images. Great. I got my title. Now I want to go in here. I want to edit the details. So the name of it is Digital Marketing Empire. The headline is How to Get Paid for What You Know. Description. What is it that I'm actually selling? Okay. This could be a coaching program. It could be a course, could be a combination. When you're just getting started, it's best to just teach. And you can do that through a course format where you upload videos. I'm going to show you how to do that here in a second. Or you could just simply have a community. It could be a free community that you want to upsell to higher coaching later, or it could be a paid community. So just let people know what it is. And I'm going to say here, digital marketing, training, and coaching. And you can get more detailed with your description, okay? Now, next, this is users. We'll come back to this. We don't have anybody in our Whop yet, so it's not going to show it, but you can also say you want to show how many users or not show how many users. Offers, we're getting there. Here's what you'll get. So now here, I'm going to go into edit apps. With Whop, you actually add apps to your Whop, and this is going to be part of your digital product. Now, this is another reason why I love Whop for complete beginners. They are literally handing you guys a business in a box here. You can go to new app, and it has all these different apps, guys, that are free that you can add into your Whop. If you have a Discord, you can add your Discord. You can add a calendar and have people book calendar meetings with you. You can even take tips, apparently. I didn't know that. But for this purpose, for selling our knowledge, there's a couple apps I recommend you start with. I like to use Chat. That way you can communicate with your members. Forum, that way people can post and share ideas. And then Course. Course is going to be the material you're going to use to teach your topic. So I'm going to start with Courses, and then I'm going to show you guys how to set this up. So under the Courses tab, I'm going to scroll down, Manage App. It's going to take me here. Boom, create my course. What is the name of my course? Digital 101. Continue. Tagline, you can come up with the tagline. I'm just going to, for the sake of the tutorial, I'm going to say start here. Description, it is a digital marketing training. Okay, so now this is the actual course that lives within our Whop, and here you can upload videos. So if you have a video training, and if you don't, you can literally create one with your phone. But you can see here you have chapters and lessons. So chapters would be similar to modules if you've ever gone through an online course before. Chapter 1, these are the lessons within the chapter, and then I can create another chapter, chapter 2, and create the lessons. And I can always change this, like I prefer to call it module. So I would say module 1 and getting started. And then I go to lesson 1, and this is where I would upload my media. So I could go to upload file, and I actually have a video ready here. And I would simply find the video, welcome, and it's going to upload the video. That took, what, 5 seconds to do? Boom, processing the video. Now here's a couple key things that I want to point out with the video, and what I love about Whop is that a common problem with selling digital courses, selling digital products, is people stealing your stuff. I know, but there are people that do it. Whop has a watermark feature that you can use on your videos. Somebody just can't come to your Whop and join, let's say if it's a membership for a month, download all your videos and then go and sell them. They will have a watermark on them, so you'll actually know who downloaded and tried to sell. And I can go under here and I can add text, I can add a headline, lots of different things that I can do, okay? I can add downloadable material. Also, you can, people can track their progress. Here's the instructor, here's the details, okay? Now, I want to go back to edit app, so we're going to add another one. We want to add our chat one. So I can add the chat feature, and you can see that pops up right away, and I'll even go in here and test it. Now I got a chat feature with my students, and we're going to go to edit apps one more time. We're going to add one more app. We're going to add forums, because this is where people can share ideas and talk about the actual training. There we go. Okay, so we got the course, we got the chat, we got the forum. Now, right, we need to charge people for this, okay? So how do we do that? So now what we want to do is we're going to scroll down here to pricing. Now I've already gone ahead and created the pricing for you. Let me show you how I do that. You go to edit pricing. You're going to go to add pricing option. You can make it free. Okay, if you want to have a free community, you can certainly do that, or you can do paid. Now we're here to make some money, so we're going to do a paid community or course, whatever it is you're doing. If you're doing subscription, you can click there, have them pay monthly reoccurring, and you can do single payment. I like to use the single payment. So you can choose the price, whatever it is you want, $500, unlimited. If you wanted to have the certain amount, like you're doing a special, you could say I only have 100 left or 50 left, and then it would stop. Also, you have the ability to do wait lists. So maybe this is a product that you're working on now, it's not ready yet. You can create a wait list, and then when the product is ready, you could launch it to everybody. So now I'm gonna hit continue. Now I have $497 one, and then the new one we just created, which is $500. And you could do either or. Okay. Frequently asked questions. This is where you can put in typical Q&A stuff. Hey, how long is a course? Is it good for beginners? That sort of thing. And then you have various benefits you can add on there. Reviews. This is a big one. As your course starts to grow and people leave reviews, those will show up here. And then you can be an affiliate for Whop as well. Now, this is something that I want to show you guys here, which is really important, is if we go to our dashboard, this is going to be kind of your hub for everything here. Now, you have your main home dashboard, if you need support, if you have questions, and then you also have your users. So as your users join your Whop, you can see here when they join, how much they spend, how long they've been around. Also links. So any links you have, these are the links that you would actually copy and send to your customers or potential customers. These are also the links. This is very important, guys. So wherever you're getting your traffic from, if you're getting your traffic from Instagram or Facebook, these are the links that you would give people for checkout. Okay, so if you know somebody's ready to buy, you could send them this direct link, or you could send them the link to your Whop homepage, either or. Milestones, this is kind of cool. If you're brand new to Whop, if you make $10,000 in the first 30 days, they actually will fly you out to NYC, which is really cool. And they have some other milestones here along the way. So I wanted to just kind of point that out real quick. But here's something else I want you to know about when it comes to selling digital products. Most people shy away from this because with other platforms, you have to add an additional affiliate platform, okay, if you want to have affiliates. It's always been very, very difficult for course creators and digital product creators to have affiliate programs because we'd have to buy an additional program. Not anymore. You can do that right here in Whop. So you could literally go to the invite tab. You could invite the members, okay, by email. You could also invite them by their username, and you can give them either a fixed rate or a percent. So I can say for my $500 course, I'm going to give you 10% of every sale, or I'm going to give you $20, whatever it is. But this is another way for you to make more money, is once people get into your Whop and they're loving it and they're having a great time, why not make them affiliates? Okay. It's free advertising. You make money. Everybody wins. Tracking links. Again, as your business grows, you're going to have specific tracking links that you're going to want to make sure you keep account of here, because that's how you're going to make your money. Promo codes. You can have promo codes. Black Friday's coming up. You could have a $50 off, half off, something like that. So, and then finances. This is where when people pay you, if there's any disputes or anything like that, plus they'll tell you, hey, this is when you are getting paid. Okay. Now, this top left button says go to hub. We want to press that. That's going to take us back to our main hub where we can work within our Whop. The last thing I wanted to make sure that you guys are aware of is up here in the top this is the link that you can click on and send to people so they can come and see your Whop. Think of your Whop as a landing page. This is where people come, right, to learn more about your products and services. So you want to take the time, guys, to really build this out. Put in your profile image, put in an about section. Hopefully I've made it super easy for you guys to get started selling digital products. There's no excuse. You have Whop at your fingertips. Make sure you check out the link below. It'll take you right there. You can get started today building your Whop and selling digital products. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.